Kanina lang katabi ko. Ayaw na nila. Hindi nila kinaya. Ayaw na. Nag-give up sila, nag-give up. Okay, story time. You know how I discovered that song? That song actually was not given to me. I was watching Eat Bulaga, mga 2 years ago lang. Yes. And it was being sung by MC Faustino, who is the wife of Tec Faustino, who is the brother of Mon Faustino, who's the musical director of Gary Valenciano, who's married to Angeli Valenciano, and the son of my director, Paolo Valenciano. Di ba connect? Ang galing ko doon And who's my director now? Okay, anyway, so I was watching Eat Bulaga and I heard this beautiful song. And so my manager back then, who was Ronnie Nares, I asked him, you have to get me that song. And that time kasi I was doing an album. And what album nga ito? 1990. Which was, buti ka pa alam mo, ako hindi na. Which was 1990. And Ronnie, being such a great manager, he was able to track the song. And it was written by Mon Faustino, and it was never recorded. And so he gave me the song. The rest is history. Nakakatawa, no? Yung mga history ng mga kanta. But yeah, that was my story time for hindi na ayoko na parang feeling ko lang baklang-bakla siya. In fairness. In fairness dun sa song. Baklang-bakla siya. Diba? Umagri kayo dyan, mga bakla. Diba? Ay pa umamin itong mga ito. Yung hinihingang ka ng tricycle, tapos nawawala bigla. Yun! Oo. Hinihingang ka ng, uy, bigyan mo naman ako 50K na ospital nanay ko, tapos biglang naglalaho. Aminin! Anyway, here's another special song. The story of this song, I was doing a movie with Aga Mulak. I think this was our first movie together. I think we just finished doing the movie and I started to do the great thing about being a singer also is that I was given the opportunity to produce most of my soundtrack. Isn't that wonderful? And I love the whole process of recording, from having it arranged, talking to the arrangers, putting backups myself, or sometimes if I'm tamad, I'll get the backups and tell them, okay, ganito gawin nyo And then until, the mixing and all that, I get very, very involved and I love the whole process. And like I said, the story of this song, I was doing SOP back then already. And I was with my good friend, who's my husband now, Augie Alcacid, and I asked him, kasi he wrote me one song before, which was, I have to say goodbye, cause it's time to end it. Nakanta niya sa isang artista. Napag-alaman ko. Hindi ko sasabihin kung sino, pero maganda siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, landi mo. Ewan ko sa'yo. So I asked him, sabi ko, can you make me another song? And then I had to tell him the story. And one day, siguro mga 2 days after, tinawagan ako, oh, I have a song for you na. And this was that song.